All right, the drink we're about to make is called Crazy Ben. All right, go ahead and put some ice in your mixing glass and measure out 2 ounces of Benedictine. All right, and we'll follow that up with a splash of sour mix. Go ahead and shake up those first 2 ingredients, just enough to get them mixed together. And set up a glass, pour it in, and you should have plenty of room at the top for your last ingredient, which is club soda. All right. Now if you want to mix that together, just take your spoon, give it a quick little stir, garnish it with a lemon, add a straw, and that is a Crazy Ben. If your name and this is your 5th or 6th one, you might get a little crazy. Bottoms up.